So first we will discuss some properties of log so that they can be used in GP or AP also. We know that if in indices form a to the power x equals to b, so it can be converted to logarithmic form by writing log b base a equals to x. For example, if we write 4 square equals to 16, and to convert it to log, we write log 16 to the base 4 equals to 2. Okay. Now again, if we write the second property like property of sum of two logs, log a to the base c plus log b to the base c equals to, it becomes log ab to the base c. Third, log a to the base c minus log b to the base c equals to log a by b to the base c. Fourth, log a to the base b, this is base change formula. We can write it log a to the base c upon log b to the base c. So these are some of the important properties of log. And if there is log a to the power m, this time base is again c, equals to this power m becomes the coefficient of log. M into log a base c. If there is log a base b, we can also write it as the reciprocal of log b base a. A to the power log x to the base a equals to x. A to the power log b base c equals to b to the power log a to the base c. So write these properties and learn them. They will be used in several exercises. So first of all, write these properties and learn them. Now to prove question 7, we have already proved in question number 6 that a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q equals to 1 in previous session. So if you take log both sides, so log a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q equals to, it will be log 1. It implies, now we know that if there is product, it will be converted to plus in taking log. Log, first term is a to the power q minus r plus log b to the power r minus p plus log c to the power p minus q, and value of log 1 is 0. You can write this also as one of the property of log, that log 1 equals to 0. Now coefficient power of the log becomes coefficient q minus r log a plus r minus p log b plus p minus q log c equals to 0. Hence proved. Same thing is given in the question. A, B, C are the pth, qth and rth term of a GP. Show that q minus r log a, r minus p log b plus p minus q log c equals to 0. hence proved. Is that clear to you? Now in question number 8, it is we have to find whether it is correct or not. Does there exist a GP containing 27, 8 and 12 as they are 3 terms, not 3 consecutive? Is that clear to you? We have to find the GP